Meow. Wake up from your nap. Because today's tech news is absolutely clawsome. First up on the scratching post. Telnyx package compromised on PyPI. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. Installing a Let's Encrypt TLS certificate on a brother printer with Certbot. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Switching pause here, because this next one is wild. Explore the hidden world of sand. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. My human showed me this and I knocked their coffee off the desk in shock. Desk for people who work at home with a cat. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. Ren lei guo ran bu xing. Hai shi mao mi li hai. Purr. If I still had 9 lives. This next story would take at least 2 of them. Meow.camera. Jabo sao zuo. Ben miao kan bu dong dan da shou gen han. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. And that's the news. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe faster than a cat chasing a red dot. Bye bye.